Carey Bringle is owner and pitmaster of one of Nashville's most successful barbecue joints. And in 2015, he became the first pitmaster in the world to own his own spirits company. Within its first year, his Peg Leg Porker 8-year-old bourbon brand received the gold medal at the San Francisco World Spirits Competition.
I love what I do. I love people. I love making them happy. And so that started with cooking for people. And then I had a relationship with a bourbon company, which I still have a great relationship with. But at some point I wanted to start my own, and the opportunity came up, and so I was able to do that. And so I get the best of both worlds. I get the food and the spirits world with what I do.
In those early years, Carey sought advice from Jeff Hopmayer, chairman and CEO of the Brindiamo Group, one of the largest bulk bourbon and whiskey suppliers in the world.
I met Jeff through a mutual friend at my liquor distributor. He said he thought it was somebody that I would probably want to know. I had heard his name from somebody else, and so I called him up and we sat down and had lunch, and we hit it off as friends. And then he's also been an informal consultant for me over the years.
For Carey, he showed me all his concept designs, his bottle designs, his artwork, and asked my opinions along the way as to what it was, how he was doing it, and we gave him the best advice we can to help him out, to make it look like something that I thought would be respectable for what he's doing.
Now we do business together. I buy through brokers. We're a non-distilling producer right now, and so I buy some product from Jeff as well. He's one of the largest brokers in the country, and always has a line on what's going on in the industry. And so if I want to bounce an idea off of somebody, or ask them what they think their read is on something, then I know I can get an honest answer from Jeff, and that's nice to have that.
And he continues to get deeper and deeper into it. I mean, it's a great thing for him, and actually has really the cool bottle with the little pig on top of it and the reserve bottle. It's the embodiment of Carey, and that carries that brand, right? That is what Carey is, that's what it's about, and he carries it all the way through. It's great.
Today, Carey is extending his success in both the barbecue and bourbon categories with the opening of a new restaurant and plans to build an artisan distillery and tasting room.
I've always been a bourbon drinker, and so the progression into spirits there was never a question on whether it was going to be a bourbon or not. We may expand into some other spirits down the road, but for now our main concern is bourbon, and that's our main focus.